2018 Suzuki Z250. With its bigger brother sucking up the attention, this bike is left with B&Gs. Aside from a few cosmetic changes such as blue accents on the seat and radiator shrouds and white number plates, which complement the yellow bike very well, the Suzuki Z250 is unchanged for 2018 and therefore still retains many of the qualities from years past. Regardless of the similarity to previous year models, we took the bike to a few different tracks to see how it performed. The suspension on the Z250 offers several forms of adjustment in the front and rear. The KIB PSF2 fork has air pressure, compression, and both high and low speed rebound clickers, while the KIB shock offers high and low speed compression and rebound adjustments as well. The fork has a stiffer, more performance-oriented feel that works best when ridden hard and at more of a race pace. Anything less results in the fork feeling harsh and giving negative feedback to the rider's hands, especially on slap-down landings. The fork doesn't feel very progressive and has a rather stiffer feel in the upper part of the stroke. A few clicks softer on the compression alleviates this slightly and makes it more compliant on braking bumps and jump landings alike.